Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this, it's a super head shaver. I'm gonna open it up here and I'll show you guys what it is. I am not gonna be shaving my head, but I'll shave my beard. See if I can open this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like here on the outside of the box. I think it's gonna open this way. Okay, here we go. So there we go. We're opening it up and look how pretty it's packed in here. Really nice. Cable and accessories are in the bottom, it says. And okay, the box is totally out in my hand here. So we have a little instruction manual. We do have our wire and accessories in the bottom here. And, and then here is the device. So let me open it up here and I'll show you all the stuff. We have, I guess this is like a little massaging kind of piece here. Here's a shaver here for a straight shaver, and then this is the big massager here. So let's open that up. Now we'll kind of see how this is gonna go. But I guess this comes out, yep. So this comes out and then it's got a little thing that spins on the inside of it to make it go. So I guess we kind of push it in there and then we can take off this top, and then you can see these heads are squishy and bendable and stuff like that. So if you were doing your head, I am not going to be shaving off my head. It would work that way. But what I could do is I can show you here. So there, that's the on button. And here you can see the different things here. We are at 75 RPMs at 100% battery, I think is what it is. And I push it to turn it off. And then the top button is on and off. And then the other one here, 70, 65. So we are slowing down the thing here, and then here we're speeding it up. So we can speed up to, it looks like 75 is the max, and then this 65 is the slowest, I guess. So we have between 65 and 75 RPMs. And then I would just shave it like this. Ooh, I've never, it actually contours around my face to shave. I don't need to get a full shave here, but you get the idea. I shaved yesterday, so I'm not too there, but I can hear it going. You guys can probably hear it as it's going. So, okay, so I'm just gonna stop that for right now. So push that button to stop it. Let's see what it looks like inside there. Ooh, okay, so inside you can see it got a bunch of hairs already. So, okay, so that's it. And you can see this piece here, it just magnetizes on. And then let's see what happens when it's going. These little things here all spin and vibrate. That's kind of how it's working. So that's the concept of it. So then if we take off this head here, that's where we have the ability to put on like this one here. And then if I, oops, I think I took off the whole, yeah, there we go. Then we got a spinning brush. That'd be a nice, soft little massaging spinning brush. Guess I should have turned that off before I took it out. Oh, actually look at that. You can take this piece off, and you can put on different heads, so I can make it a little rubbery spinner head. Or, what is this? I don't know if I can make this out. Oh, this is like one of those little nose picker ones. There we go. So then this is spinning, and I can get my nose hairs. I hear it doing it. So I guess it works. Get my nose hairs. That's gross to show you all that. And then we have this one here, which I could do if I wanted to get a trimmer here, and I could just trim. Jesus, I heard it go. You just trim it up and make it look nice on the sides or whatever. Oh man, I cut a lot of hair off there. Do my ears. But yeah, that's kind of the concept. Man, I don't know, I guess I went up too high. It's hard to see in the light. I'm looking directly into the light. You guys see me lit up, but I'm looking directly into it. But that's how this one works, and you can see it just kind of goes back and forth when it goes. So that's how that works. So pretty cool. So you got all these different pieces and parts to it. So you have the little trimmer, you have the nose one, you got two little, this one here, I guess you could use it like a scrubber brush if you filled it with soap or something. And then you have the converter one for it. And then you got the big mamba jamba to do your beard or your head if you wanted to. But I think I'll use this for just my beard. I guess somebody who's like shaving their chest or something could probably use it for that as well, because it's doing a whole lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 7 heads going at once, so it's like 7 times as fast probably doing it this way. So I'm gonna say this is a pretty sweet device. Thumbs up for sure.